The BMW Car Access System, or CAS module, is the central security and access control unit in BMW vehicles. This critical component manages multiple essential functions that keep your BMW secure and operational. The CAS module is typically located behind the dashboard or in the glove compartment. It performs four critical functions: authenticating your key fob, controlling the immobilizer system, managing electronic systems throughout the vehicle, and providing comprehensive anti-theft protection. CAS module failures present three main categories of symptoms. First, no start conditions where the engine cranks but fails to start, often accompanied by engine start error messages on the dashboard. Second, key recognition issues, including key not detected warnings and intermittent key fob functionality. Third, various electrical system problems such as random component failures and battery drain when the vehicle is parked. BMW has developed 6 generations of CAS modules over the years, starting with CAS 1 in the E65 series from 2003 to 2007, progressing through CAS 2 and CAS 3, which covered most BMW models from 2008 to 2013. The enhanced CAS 3 Plus version served from 2010 to 2015, followed by CAS 4 for F-Series models from 2011 to 2019. The latest CAS 4 Plus generation has been in use since 2016 and continues in current BMW models. The automotive repair industry has seen a significant shift in CAS module service approaches. As of 2024, approximately 65% of CAS failures are now being repaired rather than replaced, thanks to improved diagnostic techniques and component-level repair capabilities. Professional repair services now achieve an 89% success rate, offering significant cost savings of 30 to 40% compared to complete module replacement. This trend has reduced dependency on BMW dealerships and made repairs more accessible to independent shops.